Pregnancy is by far the most beautiful experience one could ever be a part of. This goes not just for mothers but for fathers as well. It's one of the most unique and special types of bonding and love that exists. For a woman to create, grow, and give birth to another life is rather extraordinary. A life is in the earliest stages of creation, and your beautiful bundle of joy is ready to grow inside your womb, and you are ready to nurture it. Hello, I'm Neha S., a third-year dental student from RV Dental College. Throughout pregnancy, a woman's body undergoes many physical changes, causing cramps, nausea, vomiting, morning sickness, and many more complications. Proper care needs to be taken, or else it can lead to many health problems. But today, I'll only be talking about the oral health problems faced by pregnant women and how to prevent and take care of these problems. First, let's talk about what is oral health and how does it affect pregnancy. Oral health or dental health is the health of your mouth, teeth, and gums. It's an important part of your overall health, and if you're pregnant, it's an important part of your prenatal care. Being pregnant can increase your risk for oral health problems, and these problems can affect your pregnancy. For example, some studies show a link between gum disease and premature birth. Taking good care of your mouth, teeth, and gums during pregnancy can help you have a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. How does pregnancy affect your dental health? Changes in your body during pregnancy can affect your teeth and gums. For example, you have increased levels of certain hormones like progesterone and estrogen in your body during pregnancy. These can increase your risk for certain oral health problems. Your eating habits may change. You may eat more of certain foods during pregnancy than you did before you were pregnant. The kinds of food you eat can affect your dental health. You may brush and floss your teeth less than you did before you got pregnant. This may be because your gums are tender or you're more tired than usual. For some women, brushing and flossing may cause nausea. These changes can increase your risk for certain dental problems during pregnancy, including cavities, gingivitis, periodontal disease. Cavities, also called tooth decay or caries. These are small damaged areas in the surface of your teeth. Being pregnant makes you more likely to have cavities. You can pass the bacteria that causes cavities to your baby during pregnancy and after birth. This can cause problems for your baby's teeth later in life. Gingivitis. Gingivitis is inflammation or redness and swelling of the gums. If untreated, it can lead to more serious gum disease. Pregnancy hormones can increase your risk for gingivitis. 60 to 75% of pregnant women have gingivitis. Signs and symptoms of this include redness and swelling, tenderness in the gums, bleeding of the gums, and loose teeth. Periodontal disease, also called as periodontitis or gum disease. If gingivitis is untreated, it can lead to periodontal disease. Periodontitis can lead to bacteremia. Bacteria in the bloodstream is bacteremia. This is a serious condition that needs immediate treatment. Pregnancy tumors, also called as pyogenic granuloma. These tumors are not cancer. They are lumps that form on the gums, usually between teeth. Pregnancy tumors look red and raw, and they bleed easily. They can be caused by having too much plaque, a sticky film containing bacteria that forms on teeth. These tumors usually go away on their own after giving birth. Tooth erosion. If you have vomiting from morning sickness, your teeth may have been exposed to too much amount of stomach acid. This acid can harm the enamel, that is the hard surface of your teeth. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of dental problems during pregnancy? Bad breath, loose teeth, mouth sores or lumps on the gums, new spaces between your teeth, receding gums or pus along your gum line, gums that are red, swollen, tender or shiny, gums that bleed easily, toothache or other pain. If you have any of these signs or symptoms, call your dentist right away. Now, you might have this question in your head. Are dental x-rays safe during pregnancy? Well, yes. Dental x-rays are safe during pregnancy. They use very small amounts of radiation, and your dentist covers you with a special apron and collar to protect you and your baby. If your dentist wants you to give an x-ray, make sure she knows that you're pregnant or trying to get pregnant. How are dental problems treated during pregnancy? If you have a dental problem that needs treatment, make sure the dentist knows that you're pregnant. Depending on your condition, you may be able to wait for treatment after your baby's birth. You can have dental treatment at any time during pregnancy. If it's elective treatment, that is a treatment that you don't need immediately, try to schedule it in the second trimester. Dental checkups before and during pregnancy are important, so your dentist can find and treat dental problems early. And regular teeth cleanings help keep your teeth and gums healthy. What can you do to help prevent dental problems? Brush your teeth with fluoride toothpaste twice a day and floss once a day. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles. If you can't brush your teeth because of vomiting, use antacids or rinse your mouth with a mixture of 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 cup of water. Rinsing can help reduce the amount of acid in your mouth. Visit your dentist for a regular dental checkup every 6 months, even during pregnancy. And remember to tell your dentist that you're pregnant. Eat healthy foods and limit sweets. Healthy foods include fruits and vegetables, lean meat, whole grain breads, and low-fat dairy products. Limit sweets and sugary foods and drink water instead of sugary drinks. Eating healthy foods helps to give you and your growing baby important nutrients. Your baby's teeth starts developing between 3 and 6 months of pregnancy. Nutrients like calcium, protein, phosphorus, and vitamins A, C, and D help your baby's teeth grow healthy. Also, do not smoke. Taking good care before, during, and after your pregnancy is very important. It can help your baby to grow and develop and keep you both healthy. It is the best way to be sure your little one gets a head start on a healthy life. I hope this talk helps you in getting an idea about the oral problems you might face if you are expecting or planning to. Thank you.